How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, I'm Neha. I'm a speaker for today.
Okay. How are you,
Okay,
Neha?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm all good. So I wanted to just just a random thought. That what do you think? Is it good to be famous in life?
Yeah, it is good to be famous. Everybody want to be famous in their life.
Okay, so let's suppose that you have this opportunity of being famous. So what is the reason that you want to be famous for? And how do you think your life will be different from now?
Okay, actually, when I get a chance to be famous, then what I will do, I will want to be famous in the field of education. I want to teach.
Okay.
Yes, I want to teach children, and if I will get a chance, so I will teach street children who are
Okay.
not getting an opportunity to go to school. So I want to teach them who are life adverse life. So I want to teach them, and I want to educate them. I want to make them a civilized person. That's why they will be able to be something in their life.
Okay. And how will your life be different from now if you're famous?
Actually, I want not be very famous. I want to only was people know me about, and when they recognize me by my name, and when that this person is helped the people as I want to be a person that people may trust me, and when they want something, and they can I will be able to get them help. So by this way, I want to be famous, not anymore.
Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. So just wanted to correct a few little things. Like when you said when I will be famous. So when I will be famous is something which will happen. So this is an imaginary situation, right? So
Okay, I tell
rather than when, we should use if I
if
will be
I want,
famous.
if
Okay,
I
because
will,
it is a conditional situation. When I will go to the market, when I'm sure about something that is going to happen.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
this is a
yeah.
conditional situation, so we will use if.
If
And there is another thing, street kids. Say street kids once again. Street kids. You say no. You will be teaching street kids.
kids means to say slum areas kids
Some
who are
areas.
not yes, yes.
Uh, that is a very good thing. That is a very good thing. You want to be famous for, Neetu. I like the idea. Okay. And have you ever met anybody who's slightly famous, or local famous, or anybody you've met some famous person in your life?
Actually, um, I can't remember. No, I think I have never meet that type of person. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I was just asking. Right. And like you told me, you want to be known, that people recognize you by your face. So, what is more important in life, according to you, fame or respect?
Oh, definitely respect is more important. Fame, it doesn't means to say that you are famous for anything and people only you are famous. Not people loves you or not respect you. It doesn't matter. If it very necessary to the people get respect to the others' eyes. It is the more important than than to be famous.
Okay, sounds good. So, Neetu, while we've been talking, there are a few more corrections that I would like to highlight. Is it okay?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Okay. Like you said, I don't think I have ever meet. So when we're talking about past, it is met. I have ever met any famous person. Okay.
Yes,
And second thing is that when you're framing a sentence, no, try not to start it with the negative. Like not people love you, not people respect you. Should be like people do not love you, people do not respect you. Okay, because from a sentence starting from not or a negative word does not sound nice. It is not the proper structure. So people do not love you, people do not respect you. that is the way you should go about it.
Okay.
Otherwise, I just have to say that we are talking for the first time,
Yes.
and you are able to put in your ideas across to me, and that is a very good thing. You're doing a good job. As
Yes.
any language, the more you speak in it, the more hang of it you'll start getting.
Okay. Actually, I know Hindi only. Hindi.
Okay.
Yes, and my regional language, which are spoken in my areas as Bhojpuri, Hindi, and now I learn English.
That is very nice. It is always nice to learn something new. I think the pandemic has just taught us all to learn something new at least.
Yes.
Yeah. I was not very good at cooking. That is what I've learned during the pandemic. I knew it a
Yes.
little, okay, time pass kinds, but I still cannot make round rotis, but still it is getting better. So
Okay.
we all have
Yes.
something.
Yes.
We all have something there. Uh,
Yes. Yes.
so
But it is
uh,
not matter what we don't know. It's matter that we are able. We are always ready to learn something new. It is the good
yes,
thing in.
yes, yes, that's a very nice thing. So coming back to famous people, do you think that famous people can lead a normal life like ours, or is their life any different?
Yes, they may live a normal life, but there are some protocols are there in their life because they cannot wander anywhere without any protection. They need some bodyguards and some means some protectors, so that may people not reach them, may people not harm them. It is not a necessary that people may want to harm them, but it may be possible that some of them may some uh, make them some sorry contaminate any by any reason, so that they are not living normal life, I think,
Yeah.
in
So
the public in public places, but at their homes, and they are normal as we are.
yeah, then. So what we can say is that they need protection because the public might violate their private space,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So
yes.
this way you can learn a new word, which is violate. Violate means to enter or to disturb.
Okay.
Okay, so the public might violate their private lives. That is why they need protection. Obviously, we will not harm them, but everybody has a private space. Like even you
Yes,
might not be wanting people to come very near you, while talking, or
yes, yes,
there is this private space which we allow only our loved ones to enter.
yes,
So that is what the violation of the private places takes place when they are in public areas, famous people, because
yes,
everybody loves them, no? So they really want to, go
yes,
shake
yes.
hands, click photographs these
Take
days. That
photograph.
is,
Yes.
is one thing. That is
Yes,
one
in
thing.
previous year, everybody wants to autograph from them, but
Right.
now everybody wants a selfie from
Yes.
the famous people and want to
Yes.
upload in their social media. It is
Yes. That's what they want to do. So it is social media. Say it again. Social media.
social media.
Yeah. It is
Yeah,
not C. C's voice is not there. It is SH only. Social media.
social media.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is what we do here. You come, we talk, we just you're already doing a good job. We just make the corrections so that when you're talking to somebody else, it doesn't come out like that, and
Yes, yes,
mm, it does not. You do not feel awkward if somebody else corrects you in a public space. So you're already equipped with us. This is a safe space. You and I are talking, and any other speaker that you might talk to, we're all alike, and
yes,
this is
yes,
what we
yes.
do
I have
basically.
talked many of you. Yes, yes. They are
Okay.
all Bingo tutors are very nice, and I feel very comfortable to you all.
Thank you so much, Nitu. That's what we are here for. And you already see, the point is, one thing is, when a person does not know what to say, you already know what to say. There are a little problem, the problem with sentence formations and tenses, which and pronunciations, which is an ongoing process. We can always correct them.
Yes,
There is
yes.
no issue. There was a point in time where I could not pronounce the word photographer. I always used to say photographer. So it has taken me 6 years to correct that one pronunciation, because I don't know, it was somehow some words, the way they are said at your place in your
Yes.
houses, the same way you say those words.
Yes, yes, it is in practice, and this is the problem with me also. I make very mistakes in pronunciation, and many Clappingo tutors correct me many times for the many words, and it is in my practice. So I used to speak like that. So it
Like
is like,
what
and nobody correct me before you all. So I am practicing at that.
you were practicing wrong English only. No
Yes,
problem. Now we are here and we'll definitely all get together help you with this. What you can do is like whatever pronunciations we people correct. Like I told you about social, the word social today. So you can just go about, use the word in three, four sentences generally, and just speak them out. So once you've done it 5 times, 6 times correct, you remember in school teacher used to tell us that
yes,
write
yes.
this 10 times. So that remains with us. So just repeat the word in your normal communication. Like you can tell a friend that I was going through your social media page, or you can tell your husband that I saw this recipe on social media today. So just use it
Yes.
3, 4 times and it will start coming out correct.
Okay.
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 And
Okay.
we are always here. We can always do that on other things. So,
Thank.
like you were using the word I am, I am speaking. So I just want to highlight that the word am with I comes only when we are doing a continuous thing, or when we have to do it in future. Like I am writing a story, I am cooking dinner. Okay. But when we use it for past tense, we do not use am. We said I went to this place.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And I have been trying, I always spoke in English, but there was nobody to correct me. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm speaking correct English because there are people to correct me. So
Okay.
now it is a continuous process. So I am with ing, especially I am will come. But when you're talking about past tense, it will not be there. I always used to speak in English, or I went to the school. I belong to Bihar. I belong to sorry, Bihar. I belong to Patna, or whatever place you. There I am will not come. Okay.
Okay.
These are just few rules. Once you start
Yes.
talking,
Yes.
you'll get the hang of it. That's nothing to worry about.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Neetu, there is a when you schedule a session, no, a document is received. Do you go through that document? Did you go through that
Yes.
document?
Yes. Yes. I received, and I saw. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I saw that.
So there are
Yeah.
a few passages there to read. Just go through them. And what I would suggest is when you read them aloud. What will happen is that it is correct form of English, be it tenses, be it verbs. So when you'll be speaking it aloud, you will be speaking in correct English.
Yes.
So reading and speaking it aloud, you're listening to it also then. So it remains with you for a longer duration. Okay.
Okay.
Or whatever you read, just read it aloud to yourself so that you will be listening to it at the same time and reading to it. So it will be settled more with you. It is my
Yes.
own personal experience that when you read something aloud, it stays with you more.
Yes. 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 Yes.
That is why in school, when children are young, we emphasize so much on reading, because when they read it out aloud, so it remains with them more. And there's a post session exercise also. Just try and complete it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Just fill in the blanks. There are a few words given.
Yes. Yes. I
Uh,
have done. Yeah.
you've
Yeah.
already
Yeah.
done.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
would you like to get
Previous
it checked?
previous sessions, some filling the blanks are given to me, so I have done all the, and I always go through the PDF which was
That
given
is
to
brilliant. That is brilliant. That is brilliant.
me. And
It has
yes,
words also. So, are there any words that you're confused with, or would you like to take? Would you like to ask what do they actually mean? There are a few words given. No, vocabulary of the day is also given there. So,
yes, yes, yes,
so just use
yes,
those words. Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
please.
So I saw the word, and in the first glimpse, I can't remember those, but I go through all the words.
No
Words.
problem. Just use them in one or two sentences every day. Not every day. I think there are about 5 or 6 words. So just use them in sentences so that you can you're able to remember them with their meaning. Like you've learned the meaning, use them in sentences, just one or two. Anybody who you talk to, your husband, your friends, even your kid, you can talk to anybody. Just use those words and sentences.
Yeah.
It would be related with fame only because we were talking about fame today.
Okay.
So next time you are talking about fame, you will have more words to explain your feelings,
Yes.
or anything related to fame, like let's say about you're talking about your favorite celebrity also. So those words will somewhere come in handy to explain it better. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Do you have
Definitely.
any questions for me? Because I think in another 1 or 2 minutes the session will end. So if you have anything from the last session, or if you have anything from this session, anything you want to ask me.
No, nothing to ask, but only I want to practice. And yeah, I know grammar rules and some vocabs are also in my mind, but it is not come to the my sentences. When I use it, I forgot to use that vocab word. So it
Okay.
is the problem with me, and I am not practicing much, so it is the problem with me.
No problem. We're here. We'll make you practice. Even I know it's just 20 minutes, but 20 minutes also, we are only talking in English. There is no other language.
Yes.
So that also means a lot.